Welcome back to the Graham Stephan Show. So we got to talk about this channel. It's called GG Exotics. And basically, he drives around these crazy expensive cars, and apparently his dad is a billionaire. So how about this? He just posted a day in the life of what it's like to be a billionaire's son. So let's go ahead and watch it. I'll give you my own thoughts right after, of course. You subscribe, you hit the like button, and notification bell. You may as well do that. So now with that said, let's begin. Oh my gosh, you know this is going to be crazy when he literally starts the video just revving up a Bugatti in the driveway. Now, we had Bobby Misner on the channel recently, and we reviewed his video, but I could tell already, it's nothing like this kid. Oh my gosh.
Guys, I think the Bugatti's been gone for about, I want to say like 7 months. It's been forever. There was like something wrong with the wheels or something. There was like a chip, and it took forever to get new wheels. They had to order them, then paint.
Oh my gosh, look at the garage. He's got a baby blue Rolls-Royce convertible in there. And what is this, a McLaren 720? Oh my, this garage, man. Wow, he's got a car dealership at his house.
Bugatti's finally here. It's about to be here right now. You already know that huge truck is gonna come out the street and it's gonna be here.
Wait a second, what is that McLaren? Oh my, wait, no, that's not a McLaren. Koenigsegg is, wow. Okay, this is crazy. That's nuts.
Oh, is he revving it a little bit? What's up?
What's up, what's up?
There's his dad. Oh, I would love to get him and his dad on the podcast. Listen, if you're watching this, I have a feeling maybe you're watching this. Come to Las Vegas, we'll host you, we'll take you out to all-you-can-eat sushi, and we'll talk business. This is incredible.
Gotta make room for the Bugatti.
Look how in shape his dad is, too. I would love to be like that. I can't tell if he's 40 or 60 or 70. You can't even tell anymore. He's in better shape than most people would be like in their prime, and that's his dad.
Here she is.
Oh yeah, this is certainly the day in the life. Every day is a new Bugatti gets delivered. Oh my gosh.
Uh-oh, what is that? Uh-oh, gotta inspect the whole thing now.
Wow. And that's probably all paint job. That's not a wrap. They painted this factory, this matte finish. Jeez, this is gorgeous.
And then the left Ferrari behind it in the middle.
Oh, okay.
They all belong to one guy. They're going to Missoula, Montana for permanent storage.
Dang, got an F40 right here? What?
Wow. Oh my gosh, I would love to get delivery of an F40 one day. Man, that would be the dream.
Is this the 458 Destroyer, guys? I don't even know. This is insane. What is this doing here? What the heck? I think there's a 488 up there.
Wow, he's basically got David Lee's Ferrari collection here in this one truck.
The Ferrari's back. This ain't even ours, but wow.
I love how you have to clarify.
This ain't even ours.
This isn't even ours. I think for me it would just be assumed, yeah, it's not Graham's car. For him, he has to be like, no guys, this one's not mine. Nuh-uh. We got the other one.
Thank God we don't gotta go far. Oh my God. Oh, feels so good to be back in here.
Ooh, it's nice. Oh, nice, I forget.
I don't know. Oh, this is so nice. So much smoother than the other cars. It's been so long.
So nice.
Wow, all the carbon fiber on the door.
Man, this is a great father-son relationship. Just picking up the Bugatti outside, driving it in, and parking it. That's nice.
Like you just got a new car.
It's new. Barely has 1,000 miles on it.
Oh my gosh, this car has been gone for so long, and now it's gonna be right next to the Koenigsegg, the new Pagani.
Yeah, I mistook that for a McLaren 720 in the back, but yeah, Koenigsegg.
All right, you want to make a little bit of money today?
I mean, I'm always down to make some money.
A couple things you can do today.
Let's hear it.
1, 2, 3 hypercars. Pull them right out here and just put some water on them and wipe them down.
How much money is going to pay for that? Your son, you want to make $1,000 today? Just pull the cars out, rinse them down, come back inside. Don't screw this up.
Sweep all that shit out there, get it clean, organize it, and hang stuff up on the side.
All right, sounds like a plan.
Between those 3 cars and that shit.
Oh, you can do it all in a day.
Oh yeah, I can do it in an hour or two.
No, I ain't gonna be no hour. Take next fair price.
20,000. It's gonna look like it was $20,000 was worth.
I would ask for like $500. Jeez, that's cool.
Alright guys, so today's vlog was gonna be, getting the Bugatti off the trailer, film that, but the truck driver did that himself. I don't think he was supposed to, but it was fine. I was gonna film around with all the cars outside and probably drive them all or something. I don't know what I was gonna do just quite yet. Now it looks like we gotta clean. We gotta clean this shed.
I like how he's having his son do this versus just like hiring it out to like, you know, someone else. Putting his son to work. This is good. But you know what? His son has a pretty decent YouTube channel. He's posting regularly. He's getting pretty good views. He's getting sponsorships. I like his channel a lot.
We're gonna pull the cars out, you know, give the cars a wash. And no, I'm not getting $20,000 to do this. I wish.
I wish. I'm only getting $5,000 to do it. That's it. I'm kidding.
All right, guys, we just pulled the Bugatti out. Now, I don't know if some of y'all are new to the channel or not. This is the 2020. I thought it was a 2019. Like, guys, I swear for the past like 2 years since I've been doing YouTube, I swear I've been saying this is a 2019.
You're so rich that you're surprised the cars are newer than you thought. That would be, I would love to be like, oh wow, I didn't realize my car was a 2022. Oh wow, my bad. Those are good problems to have.
This is just ridiculous. We got all the carbon fiber in here. It's just so crazy. I think the last time I drove this car was with Pretty Boy Fredo. 1,500 horsepower, guys. I think it's funny. Most people ask like what engine. They say like, is it a V12? Is it a V8? It's funny because it's nowhere close. Guys, this engine is a W16. No, I don't know what that means either. 1,500 horsepower, just like I said.
16 cylinders. 16. Now, for reference, the Ford GT behind here, that's 8 cylinders. This is double that, and it's got 1,500 horsepower. It's nuts.
Guys, you know what would be perfect right now? Some sweet tea or some lemonade and a bunch of bad females and some bathing suits and soap everywhere. Dang, maybe I should open up a car wash like that. Maybe I should do that for a video.
I would find this so relaxing to go and just, I love washing cars. For me, I don't have a hose in the front, so I haven't washed a car in a while. But it was fun. I would just, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, you just zone out, listen to music, listen to a podcast, whatever. And the reward that you get and the satisfaction from cleaning a car and being like, I did that, that's my work, and you zone out, it's peaceful, I love it.
This thing is about to be clean as soon as I get her dried up. Best way to dry off Bugatti Chiron. You might hate me, but guess what? I don't care. You get a leaf blower.
Yeah, it's actually true. That's one of the best ways to get water out of the small crevices. Seriously, get a leaf blower, they work so well.
Now, y'all might hate me, but I don't care because this thing is saving me so much time. See all that water? Sheesh. That probably took me like 2 hours to do. Guys, say you had a Koenigsegg and a Bugatti, same spec, these two same cars sitting right in front of you right now. And my dad just said, hey, choose one, you can take it and have it for the rest of your life. Which car are you taking and why?
Koenigsegg. Koenigsegg. It's so much, I don't want to say so much more rare, but you never see them. You might see a Bugatti, you know, a few times every now and then. You never see a Koenigsegg.
Well, we got the Pagani out of this car.
That is gorgeous. Look at the carbon fiber with the gold. Ah, I've only seen maybe a few of them in my life. They're so good looking.
Freaking roof scoop up there. This car is literally insane. Oh my gosh.
So basically his day in the life is basically just washing hypercars.
Bro, look how clean this is, bro. I think it's time to get some soap on this bad boy.
Yeah, I'd wash that car for free. I would just want to like touch the car. I know it sounds weird, just to be able to like be in its presence. I would just wash it.
Some dish soap because we didn't really we ran out of the other soap and my dad told me to use some dish soap. So that looks so good. Oh.
Yeah, his house is, I don't know what's nicer, the cars or the house. I want to see a full house tour as well.
Like I've been saying for the other past two cars, if you're new to my channel, this is the Koenigsegg Regera 2021, I believe. I be forgetting the dates of these cars. I don't know the years of these cars.
Watch, she's like, oh, actually, it's a 2022. My bad. Everything just gets newer the more money you have.
All right, let's get this thing clean in 3, 2, 1.
I don't know why I find it so therapeutic and relaxing to watch him wash the cars. I could just sit there and watch that all day.
Oh yeah, she's soapy. She's soapy. I mean, look at that. Now that's good soap right there. All right, guys, I think we have finally came to an end of the car wash. I still gotta get that shed. That'll probably be like 20 seconds of this video. Who wants to see that? Nobody. I'm not even lying when I say this. A bird literally just took a shit on the car. I mean, my luck is just out of there.
I love that's when like your biggest problem is a bird pooped on your Pagani right after you washed it. If that is the I hope, I wish all of you in everyone's life has that one day as their piece of stress. I wish that on everybody. Oh man, this is such a chill day in the life. I want his day in the life. I think this would be so much fun. I love the video. I think it's fantastic. You did the right title on this, Day in the Life. It's a chill life, but you gotta tell us how much money you made. I'm really curious. My guess, probably like $350. Under 500, because these cars, I mean, you're probably paying about $150, $200 to wash each car. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to add me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.